Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about lean manufacturing. What is lean manufacturing and what are the benefits of the lean manufacturing and what are the principles of lean and what are the eight type of wastage in lean and what tools we are using in lean, that's we are going to discuss in detail. First, what is lean? Actually, lean manufacturing is management philosophy that is root of Toyota production system that focus on eliminating waste and improving flow and maximize customer value. It's lean manufacturing actually used in across all industries, including automotive, healthcare, and as well as non-automotive industries, to boost their efficiency, reduce their cost, and enhance their quality. Now, next is the core principles of lean manufacturing. There is five fundamental principles of lean manufacturing. First is the defined value. Means first we need to identify what is the customer true value for this process. Second, we need to map that value stream. Means we need to map value stream mapping. That value we need to map. Means we need to trace all steps in production and we need to eliminate that wastage. If any wastage found in any process step, we need to eliminate first. Now, third is create flow. Means we need to ensure a smooth, continuous flow without any interruptions or without any problems. And fourth is establish pool. Means we need to produce only what is needed and when it is needed. We need to produce only that product. Now next is the pursue perfection. That's we need to improve continuously process through Kaizen, quality circuit, like that. Now next is the eight type of wastage. That is the downtime. In downtime there is eight type of wastage. That wastage we need to reduce to improve efficiency, to improve our flow, to reduce our cost. Now first is defect. In defects like errors, recurring reworks like in repairs, in process reworks, in process steps, in other secondary process defects, we need to eliminate. Now second is overproduction. Overproduction means if we requires 12,000 annually of the products, but we make 1,12,000, that means we are making more than the needed products quantity. Next is the waiting, means ideal time between steps. We are working in a rubber automotive industries and we are operating the machines and our operator waiting the rubber or BOP products and here waiting 2 hours for and rubber is actually in mixing process, they are reworking, they are making it like that. That's waiting is between the steps is we need to reduce. Next is non-utilized talent. That is we need to use skilled, we need to use competent person for the required process. Means if a process is Six Sigma black belt in the process, but we are using that person is in maintenance department, that is non-utilized talent, that is also a waste. Next is transportation, that is unnecessary movement of material. Means every time we are one poly bags or one box is sent to customer, after 2 hours again send it, that is the bestest. Next is the inventory, means excess stock, tanning of the capitals, and we need to maintain the inventory, but we cannot make the excess stock. Next is the motion. In motion, inefficient worker model. movements. Means in manufacturing industry, in industry we need to reduce the worker movement inefficient. Means worker movement if very frequent, we need to reduce that. Next is the extra processing, means doing more work than required, that is we need to reduce. Now another short term that is 8 wastage is that is T-modes. And team wood and there is downtime. There is a difference, that is non-utilized or skill persons. Now in T modes, T is transportations and I is inventory, M is that is motion, and W is waiting, that is idle time, and O is overproduction, and next O is over or extra processing, and D is defect, and S is skill or non-utilized talent. Now, what are the key lean tools? Key lean tools is first is 5S. We have already made a video on 5S. In 5S, first step is sorting. Means we need to find out what are the necessary amount, what are the items are does not necessary. In 1S, we need to do the red tagging. We need to identify the materials and through red tagging. And next is set in order. Next step means every items need their location and every item to be placed at their defined location. Next is signing. Signing means cleaning with inspection. And next is standardize. We need to standardize the systems like sorting, setting, other signing like that. And next is sustainment, that is self discipline, like we need to implement crash edit like that. Next is Kaizen. Kaizen, next tool is Kaizen. Kaizen is change for better, that we need to continuously incremental improvement in Kaizen. Kanban is visual scheduling system, and next lean tool is value stream mapping, that diagramming processes to spot wastage. We need to do that wastage to value stream mapping, that we need to diagramming that process. Next is standard work, that is documenting best practices. If we are talking about benefits of lean manufacturing, there is efficiency, means improvement in efficiency, that is reduced lean times, smoother workflow, quality means fewer defects, higher customer satisfaction, increases the quality parameters, and cost saving. Lean benefit, next is cost saving, that is lower inventory and wastage. Employee engagement, next benefit is employee engagement, that is workers empowered as well as problem solver. And next is sustainability. Next benefit is sustainability, that is reduce energy use as carbon footprint. Lean manufacturing modern applications, means lean is no longer limited to factories only. It is also used in healthcare, software development as well as education and services. Now, what are the challenges in lean manufacturing? There is cultural resistance, means some employees may resist the changes, short-term focus and implementations gaps, and digital integrations. Means we need to introduce Industry 4.0 tools must align with the lean philosophy. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.